Dr. Mary Monjir NTP, Superintendent of Taxes, Karbi Anglong. I am the granddaughter of Samson Singh Ingti. Everybody knows the contribution of Samson Singh Ingti. He is born in the year 1910, 8th of February, and he died at a very early age of 38 years in 28th February. And so today we are commemorating the death anniversary of Guru Samson Singh Ingti. So to start with the brief history of Guru Samson Singh Ingti, let me say a few words about his father, Thankur Singh Ingti. Thankur Singh Ingti was a very great man. He is the first Christian among Karbis, and Guru Samson Singh Ingti is the first graduated among Karbis. He studied in Golaghat and passed his matriculation in flying colors from Bej Barua High School. And after that, he studied his graduation in Cotton College. But due to financial constraints, he could not complete his education, his graduation. Thereafter, he pursued his graduation with monetary help from many relatives and persons, and after that he pursued his graduation from Murari Chand College, Silhet, then Bangladesh. So he completed his graduation in BA in English, and he is also known to be a gold medalist in English as per the information that I have received from my aunt Smriti Rani Ingtipi. After that, he has done many contributions in Karbi Anglong, like he has been appointed as the first education officer as a sub-inspector of schools in Karbi Anglong, and then after that he promoted education, the importance of education, and during his inspection to the remote areas of Karbi Anglong district, he formed many primary schools, and he urged the parents of the little children who are poor, who are in the hilly Karbi areas. He pursued the importance of education, and thus we know that he has also brought reformations like social reformations. He has brought social reformations like eradication of some evil practices, and he has brought light in the field of education. Then he is known to translate some books, like he has translated the song Blessed Assurance, and also many other songs like Galilee, Galilee song, like one Christian song is there. He translated that into Assamese, and he pursued the importance of Karbi medium in the lower primary schools, and Karbi Alam means he pursued for the importance of Karbi language in the lower primary schools. So thus we know that he has also brought many reformations in social education, and he also taught us many ideologies like formation of separate district in Assam. So had the person been alive, many of the dreams would have been fulfilled by now. It's very sad that Guru Samson Singh Ingti is not with us, but he is in heaven with God, and his blessings is always with us, with the youth of Karbi Anglong district. Arna Mahirjume, that his blessings will always be with every youth of Karbi Anglong district, the children, that they will follow the ideologies of Guru Samson Singh Ingti, and they will fulfill his dream. So thereby I bestow my best wishes to every one of you, every people who are engaged for the unveiling of tombstone today. That great deed they have done by all the churches and every members who are involved in the unveiling of tombstone today. This great leader we should always acknowledge him. We should always give respect to him. He is a great leader. Only he's a rare leader, rarest of the rare leader, I must say, because in today's world, it is rare to find a diamond. It is rare to find such kind of a leader. Thank you.
It was very well organized by the hosting three churches, namely Dokmapa Baptist Church, Nowgaon Baptist Church, and Bipur Baptist Church. They have organized it very well on the occasion of the 72nd death anniversary of my grandfather, his grandfather. So today I like to urge, being a teacher myself, I'd like to urge the youth of today that let us follow his footsteps and realize his dreams and ideals. It is not too late to start even today. And so let us, with all our efforts, let us build a better Karbi Anglong for the future, so that all can stay happy, peaceful, and that's all. My grandfather's spirit will be happy.
कार्बी आंगलोंग नेता लोग CM, EM, MP, MLA वो लोग सिमेट्री वहाँ पे विजिट करने के लिए गया है कि नहीं?
That I don't know very well, and because I remain too absorbed, engrossed in my own duties, so I'm not much aware. Even if they have gone, I don't know about it. I'm not aware about it.
Thank you.